What is the one word for burial garment in which a corpse is wrapped? The correct answer is shroud. What is the one word for happen simultaneously? The correct answer is coincide. What is the one word for use or manipulate to one's advantage? The correct answer is exploit. What is the one word for amazing, extraordinarily good or great? The correct answer is incredible. What is the one word for so great in size or force or extent as to elicit awe? The correct answer is colossal. What is the one word for the act of changing location from one place to another? The correct answer is motion. What is the one word for bring back into original existence, function, or position? The correct answer is restore. What is the one word for shorten? The correct answer is abbreviate. What is the one word for cause someone to believe an untruth? The correct answer is deceive. What is the one word for contaminate, make impure? The correct answer is pollute. What is the one word for in fear or dread of possible evil or harm? The correct answer is apprehensive. What is the one word for distinguish oneself? The correct answer is excel. What is the one word for a successful ending of a struggle or contest? The correct answer is triumph. What is the one word for crash together with violent impact? The correct answer is collide. What is the one word for extravagantly fanciful in design, construction, appearance? The correct answer is fantastic. What is the one word for not capable of being moved? The correct answer is stationary. What is the one word for an architectural support or base? The correct answer is pedestal. What is the one word for a person who comes to a country in order to settle there? The correct answer is immigrant. What is the one word for break down into components or essential features? The correct answer is analyze. What is the one word for misery resulting from affliction? The correct answer is woe.